what I've got to do on the adrift. So we've more or less checked this off now, and we've just got to do a couple of customer requirements. So we want Wi-Fi going in, and we also want a tally going in. Now, can you see here? We've got the pop down TV. The TV they want, I can't remember. Here we go. It's the smart one. So we need to check before we make any mistakes that it's going to fit in. So the width is 491. 491. So that is going to go in okay. Our height is 257. So 257. That's got to be easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't it? So there we go. We know we're going to go. Let's just check now. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll put that up and double check again. Oh, sorry, 4. Yeah, it is the right one, isn't it? 491. So let's check up there. That telly's going to. That's not going to fit, is it? 491. I'll get back to you on that. I cocked up. When I said 491, that was the width, not the height. So if you can see, we've got that in now. So we've got 491, which is about there, which does it perfect. And then we've got the height, which is 288, which will fit nice easily in. The width, and we're not going to have a problem with, because the depth, because that's 46 mil. So if you see, that'll fit in nice and easy. So last thing I wanted to do is somebody picks a tally and then it won't fit in properly, so that's why I've just took the measurements. But sometimes you get caught into it, and that's why it's always easier to grab someone else and go, am I cracking up here? It must be the sun, it's going to be heavy non-stop, isn't it? So I've just had a van back from pre-check. Shall we go and have a look at it together and see what we're doing with it? Over here, this one's, I think I've shown you in an earlier video, it's an auto trail. So we'll have a look at the different jobs that need doing on it and go from there. We had a little bit of rain, bit of a weather forecast for you. We had a little bit of sprinkling of rain today, and now the sun's back out again, and it's warm. Nice van, 2-berth compact, really popular at the moment, the compacts with the bench seats. I showed you this anyway, so let's have a look. So this is going to need a full service when it's done. It's had, last year I think it had a partial, so when we send it out, we'll have a full service. We've got an LPG sticker outside that wants a new one. Let's have a look at the LPG sticker. Let's have a look. It's got LPG sticker, so it's either got one or it has got an LPG sticker. Yeah, that's just broke away there, so we'll put a new LPG sticker on basically. So let's go back in. There's nothing really on the outside, that's all he's put, LPG sticker. What have we got inside? Basically oven door doesn't close and hob loose. So let's have a look here. We've got the oven door. It looks like it's just dropped. There we go, I have to lift that up. So we'll adjust them and then let's have a look here. Hob's loose. Right, so what we can do, it'd be easier to just get a screwdriver, what I always carry with me, tighten them up as well. How's that? Is that okay? Oh no, broke it again. Tighten that up a bit more. Now that one's, nothing's ever simple in life, is it? Right, yeah, that's done now. Now, sounds daft, but just vibrations of vans moving along, that's how things come come untightened. You'd think, how's that happen? It's vibrations of a vehicle being moved, and just things like that happen basically. Toilet's not working, so what we're going to have to do is try to have a look at that. I don't know if we can do anything with it now, so let's have a look. Ah, that's the SOG system. I wonder if it needs the pump on. Let's just double check, see if it needs the pump on. So you can hear the SOG system going. Just turn that out there. Huh. I don't know what he's meant there. That's working. Water's holding. Let's give this a clean, I think. Do you know what? I think when he was doing the pre-check, there's a thought. I wonder if he didn't have the pump on. Because the water for going around the cassette toilet comes from the tank. So see, I've not got the pump on now. Nothing's coming around. So basically what you've got two types. Just turn that off there. Let's turn all them off. So what you've got two types of cassette toilets. Where the water swirls around, what happens, it normally comes from the fresh water tank, so you need the pump switched on just like you're using the taps. And then on other cassette toilets, what you've got is outside where you pull the cassette out, above that there'll be a filler, and then you put the water in there. And then some cassette toilets will have their own pump with the water system in there, so you don't have to use the fresh water. That's where you get the blue and the pinks from. The blue you put in the cassette toilet, the pink you put in where the water's holding for the cassette. So this particular van uses the water from the freshwater tank, if you understood all that. Quite warm me out now. So there we go. Let's just get some water out of there. And the reason I'm doing that, because it was just primed up. I've just opened the tap up there, and it just releases any pressure and doesn't stress out the pipes, the plastic pipes, because they're all plastic pipes and push fit fittings. So that's what I've done. I'll just nip into here as well. There we go. See how we've got no water coming out now, hence obviously we've not got the pump on and we're not primed up then. I'll leave that open actually, and that one I've left open as well. I'll just turn that around there. So never a dull moment, always plenty of vans to be looking at and checking off. So I'll just write this up with a few little jobs just to double check that need doing, and then we can get this on sale. So tatty bye.